What should you bring in for your first appointment with your lawyer after a personal injury? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer, and today I'd like to answer that question for you because it was recently asked of me. And so it really depends upon where you are in the process. Were you injured a week ago, a day ago, or a month ago? Generally speaking, it's a good idea to bring in all the information that you have. It could be an accident report, could be photographs, it could be videos, it could be correspondence from insurance companies, it could be information from the body shop, it could be estimates, all the documentation that you have. If you don't have any documentation yet, these are the things that we will definitely need. We will need, if you don't have the accident report, a copy of the accident report number. Typically, police officers will give that to you on a card at the accident scene. I need your driver's license. I need your health insurance card. I need something that has your car insurance information. It could be a declaration of insurance. It could be your insurance card for your auto. I need something that will point me in the direction of the other driver and the other driver's insurance company. That information is usually located on the police report. Anything along those lines. If you have names of witnesses, if you've gone to the body shop and you've taken pictures of the vehicles, if you know somebody who was at the scene, information along those lines. Anything that you can bring will help the process. If you have some medical records, if you have names of doctors, things along those lines, that's what we'll need initially to evaluate the case, get the case up and running, and put the proper parties on notice. More information is better. Don't make your lawyer pull teeth in order to get information from you. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have yourself a great day.